आपने देखा होगा कि सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर एक्टर्स और मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स इंग्लिश बोलते समय हमसे अलग लगते हैं। हम उनकी तरह इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोल पाते? वजह है उनका टोन। और टोन सिर्फ स्पीकिंग ही नहीं, राइटिंग में भी होती है। तो आज हम सीखेंगे कि टोन क्या है और उन्हें राइटिंग में कैसे पहचाना जाए। वर्ड्स, टोन एंड लैंग्वेज। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टोन्स विद एग्जांपल्स। टोन वह भाव है जो वर्ड्स के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस की जाती है। समझें कि कैसे अलग अलग टोन मीनिंग को बदल सकते हैं। जिस तरह एक स्पीकर की वॉइस अलग अलग इमोशंस को कन्वे कर सकती है, उसी तरह रिटन पैसेज में ऑथर का टोन और लैंग्वेज चॉइसेस फीलिंग्स और एटीट्यूड्स को इवोक कर सकते हैं। फॉर इंस्टेंस, एक ऑथर एंटरटेन करने के लिए ह्यूमर का यूज कर सकता है, क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए सार्केज्म का, या फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रेजेंट करने के लिए फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज का। वर्ड चॉइस, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर और मेटाफोर्स और सिमिलीज जैसी फिगरेटिव लैंग्वेज पर ध्यान देने से टोन के बारे में वैल्यूएबल क्लूज मिल सकते हैं। ऑथोरिटेटिव टोन कॉन्फिडेंस, पावर, कंट्रोल एंड डोमिनेंस को दिखती है। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस। 1. This policy is non-negotiable and must be followed by all employees. 2. Stop what you're doing and listen carefully. 3. We will proceed with the plan as discussed without any further delays. Objective tone facts share करने के लिए use होती है, without personal influence. Example sentences. 1. Research indicates that regular exercise can improve mental health outcomes. 2. The quarterly financial report shows a 15% growth in revenue compared to the previous quarter. 3. According to the latest report from the World Health Organization, there has been a 20% increase in global obesity rates over the past decade. The report attributes this rise to various factors, including changes in diet and reduced physical activity. Prejudiced tone. Bias, unfair and negative judgments show karti hai. Example sentences. 1. All teenagers are irresponsible and lazy. 2. Women are too emotional to be good leaders. 3. People from that neighborhood are always involved in crime. They just can't be trusted. Candid tone में honesty, openness and straightforwardness झलकता है. Example sentences. 1. I value our friendship, but I need to be honest about how I felt when you cancelled our plans last minute. 2. Let's talk about the challenges we're facing and how we can overcome them. 3. Honestly, I didn't enjoy the movie as much as everyone else. Pedagogic tone. Teaching, instructions and guidance के लिए होती है. Example sentences. 1. First, gather all your materials. Then, follow the steps outlined in the manual. 2. Great job on solving that problem. Now, let's try a more challenging one. 3. In English, the past tense of regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the base form. For example, walk becomes walked and talk becomes talked. Let's practice with a few more examples. Didactic tone. नैतिक या मौलिक मार्गदर्शन को दर्शाता है. Example sentences. 1. The tortoise and the hare teaches the lesson that slow and steady wins the race. 2. It is essential to treat others with kindness. In our story, the generous fox shared his food with the hungry rabbit, demonstrating that helping those in need not only benefits them, but enriches our own lives as well. Pessimistic tone. Negativity, doubt और सबसे खराब पहलुओं पर ध्यान केंद्रित करता है. Example sentences. 1. The future seemed bleak, with no sign of improvement. 2. It feels like no matter what I do, things will never get better. 3. Job losses are expected to rise and many families will face financial hardships in the coming months. It seems the government's efforts to stimulate growth are falling short. Cynical tone. मानव स्वभाव के प्रति डिस्ट्रस्ट और संदेहपूर्ण दृष्टिकोण व्यक्त करता है. Examples sentences. 1. I used to think that hard work would get me ahead, but I've learned that it's often about who you know, not what you know. 2. Oh, another politician making promises? How original. 3. The company claims to value employee well-being, but all I see are cost-cutting measures and empty slogans. Optimistic tone, sense of hope, positivity और future confidence को दिखाता है. Example sentences. 1. Despite the obstacles we face, I believe that every setback is an opportunity for growth. 2. With everyone's efforts, we're seeing a revival that promises a stronger, more connected neighborhood. Together, we can build a brighter future. 3. We have the potential to make a significant impact and create a healthier planet for future generations. Pensive tone, गहरी विचारशीलता की भावना व्यक्त करता है. Example sentences. 1. He sat by the window, watching the rain fall, lost in memories of days long past. 2. Today, I found myself thinking about the choices I've made. It's strange how one decision can change the course of your entire life. 3. Life, with all its complexities, often leads us to question our purpose. Philosophical tone. गहरे सवालों जैसे अस्तित्व, ज्ञान, मूल्यों, तर्क इत्यादि पर ध्यान केंद्रित करता है. Example sentences. 1. To know oneself is the beginning of all wisdom. 2. What does it truly mean to live a fulfilling life? Is it found in the pursuit of happiness, or is it something deeper? Perhaps in the acceptance of our own mortality. 3. Consider the implications of our choices. Are we driven by innate moral principles, or are we products of our environment? Laudatory tone. प्रशंसा के स्वर में बात को कहना होता है. Example sentences. 1. Her dedication to her work is truly inspiring. 2. He is a remarkable leader, always inspiring his team to achieve greatness. 3. Their tireless efforts to provide meals and support for those in need reflect a profound commitment to our community, showcasing the very best of human kindness. Gloomy tone. में sadness or darkness झलकता है. Example sentences. 1. It painting evokes feelings of melancholy, despair, or hopelessness. 2. The memories of happier times seemed like distant, unreachable dreams. 3. In today's world, it's hard to ignore the overwhelming sense of dread that permeates our society. With each news headline, the weight of violence and injustice presses heavily on our collective conscience, leaving little room for optimism in an increasingly bleak future. Ambivalent tone. किसी विषय के बारे में मिश्रित या विरोधाभासी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करता है. Example sentences. 1. I'm thrilled about starting my new job, but I'm also sad to leave my current team. 2. The special effects were amazing, but the storyline was a bit weak. I'm not sure how I feel about it overall. 3. Technology has transformed our lives in remarkable ways, making communication easier than ever. Yet, it also raises concerns about privacy and the quality of our interactions, leaving many to wonder if we've gained more than we've lost. Ironical tone का प्रयोग तब किया जाता है जब स्पीकर जो कुछ कहता है, अर्थ उसके विपरीत होता है. Example sentences. 1. A pilot with a fear of heights. 2. A fire station burns down. 3. The joys of modern technology. It's so wonderful how we can be connected while sitting alone in our rooms staring at screens. Satirical tone का प्रयोग लेखन और व्यंग्य चित्र के माध्यम से आलोचना और उपहास करने के लिए किया जाता है. Examples sentences. 1. Social media, where we can share our most authentic selves, right after carefully editing our photos and staging the perfect brunch. 3. Voting for change is easy. Just mark your ballot and hope for the best, because what's democracy without a little blind faith in politicians who promise the moon but deliver a bag of rocks? Sarcastic tone. आयरनी का एक रूप है जिसका अर्थ उपहास करना या व्यंग्य कसना है, लेकिन शार्प टोन के साथ. Example sentences. 1. Sure, let's schedule another pointless meeting. Who needs productivity when we can sit around discussing nothing for an hour? 2. Living in a big city is fantastic. The noise, the crowds, and the pollution really add a special touch to life. 3. Oh, fantastic. Another Monday. Just what I wanted after a long weekend. 4. Oh, you didn't get your coffee this morning? That sounds like a real tragedy. How will you ever survive? अपनी रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को इम्प्रूव करना एक जर्नी है, डेस्टिनेशन नहीं। इसके लिए लगातार एफर्ट और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत होती है। रीडिंग अपनी डेली हैबिट बनाएं, भले ही आप हर दिन थोड़ी देर के लिए ही क्यों न पढ़ें। बुक्स, मैगजीन्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स या ऑनलाइन आर्टिकल्स जैसे अलग अलग तरह के टेक्स्ट्स चुनें जो आपको इंटरेस्ट करते हों। पढ़ते समय की पॉइंट्स को हाईलाइट करके, नोट्स लेकर या सेक्शंस को अपने शब्दों में समराइज करके मटेरियल के साथ एक्टिवली एंगेज करें। जितना ज़्यादा आप पढ़ेंगे और अपनी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, ये प्रोसेस उतना ही नेचुरल और एफर्टलेस होता जाएगा। यदि आप अंत तक देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें कि आप अगला कौन सा वीडियो देखना चाहेंगे।